Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're unboxing and demonstrating the HT3305 Infrared Thermometer, a versatile tool for accurate temperature measurements. Let's dive right in. First, let's take a look at the packaging. The box is sturdy and well designed, ensuring your HT3305 arrives in perfect condition. Now, let's open it up. We have the guarantee card, ensuring you have peace of mind with your purchase. Next up is the user manual, a handy guide to get you started with the HT3305. Always a good idea to give this a read before you begin using the device. Here's the premium leather cover box for the HT3305, perfect for keeping your device protected on the go. It's sleek, durable, and adds a touch of elegance to your infrared thermometer. The package also includes 3 AA batteries. And here's the Type K temperature probe, which we'll use later in the demo. It's designed for precise measurements in challenging environments. Now, let's take a closer look at the main unit of the HT3305. The design is ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold and operate. The buttons are well placed and easy to press, allowing for seamless operation even when wearing gloves. Notice the laser circle and the clear LCD screen. Let's power this up by opening the cell section and inserting the batteries. The battery compartment is easy to access, and the batteries fit snugly. No need to fumble around, just pop them in and close the lid. With the batteries in place, we turn it on. The display lights up, showing all the necessary information clearly. The backlight is bright enough to read in any lighting condition, and the large digits make it easy to read measurements at a glance. Watch as we apply the laser to my hand. Pressing the laser off button turns it off, and back on again. The HT3305 offers multiple modes: minimum, maximum, average and difference. You can also turn off the screen light to save battery. It measures temperatures in both Celsius and Fahrenheit, perfect for any preference. Switching between the two is quick and easy, allowing for flexibility depending on your needs or the standard measurements used in your region. Now, let's check the temperature of this AC unit using the laser. Just point and shoot. The reading appears instantly, providing accurate measurements in no time. It also features an automatic shut-off function to conserve battery life. Finally, let's take a look at the probe. It's long enough to reach tricky spots and easy to insert. The probe's design ensures a secure fit, providing accurate temperature readings in hard-to-reach areas. For more information and to purchase, visit our website. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more unboxing and demo videos. Thanks for watching.